In this video, we're going to talk about USCIS Form I-131 application for travel document. Whether you are a green card holder planning a trip abroad, you are asylum seeker needing to travel, or someone who is applying for advanced parole to return to the U.S. after temporary travel, Form I-131 document is crucial. Hello, my name is John and welcome. The information provided in this video is no legal advice. Here is what you need to know about USCIS Form I-131. First, the purpose of the Form I-131.
Form I-131 is used to apply for a travel document that authorizes an individual to travel outside the United States and return legally. The form covers several categories. Reentry Permit for lawful permanent residents, green card holders, who will be outside the U.S. for a long period but want to maintain their status. Refugee Travel Document for individuals granted asylum or refugee status, or who adjusted to permanent residency from that status. Advanced Parole for applicants with pending immigration applications, such as adjustment of status, who need to travel temporarily. Temporary Protected Status, TPS. Travel Authorization for TPS beneficiaries to travel and re-enter the U.S. lawfully. Humanitarian or Public Benefit Parole for people inside or outside the U.S., requesting entry or re-entry due to urgent humanitarian or significant public reasons.
Second, general filing information.
Where to file. The mailing address depends on your category and location. USCIS lists specific addresses on its website for each type of application. Online filing. Some categories may be filed electronically, but others require a paper submission. Edition date. Always use the most recent USCIS edition of the form. Older versions may be rejected. Signatures. Every application must be signed. Unsigned forms are automatically rejected.
Third, evidence required.
Applicants must include proof of identity, passport, green card, etc., 2 identical passport-style photos for most categories, supporting documents based on the purpose of the application, such as a copy of your Form I-94, approval notices, or documentation of pending immigration applications. Explanation of travel purpose, e.g., humanitarian reason, work necessity, education, or urgent family matter.
Fourth, biometric services.
USCIS may require a biometric appointment for fingerprints, photographs, or signatures. Failure to attend this appointment can delay or result in denial of your application.
5. Fees.
The filing fee depends on the type of document requested and the applicant's age status. Some applicants may need to pay an additional biometrics fee. Fee exemptions exist in limited humanitarian or refugee cases. All fees must be paid in U.S. dollars via money order, check, or credit card using Form G-1450, Authorization for Credit Card Transactions.
6. Special rules by document type.
A. Reentry Permit. Must be filed while the applicant is physically in the United States. Typically valid for up to 2 years. Helps prevent abandonment of permanent residency after long absences abroad. B. Refugee Travel Document required for refugees asylees to travel internationally. Must also be filed inside the U.S. before leaving. Usually valid for 1 year. C. Advanced Parole. Used by individuals with pending adjustment of status, Form I-485, or other immigration benefits. Leaving the U.S. without approved advanced parole may result in abandonment of your pending application. D. Parole and humanitarian requests. Must clearly explain the humanitarian or public benefit reason for parole. Supporting documentation is essential, such as medical letters, urgent family situations, or U.S. government interests.
7. Processing and travel risks.
USCIS decisions are discretionary. Approval is not guaranteed. Having a travel document does not guarantee re-entry. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) officers make the final determination at entry points. Traveling without proper authorization may result in loss of immigration status or denial of future benefits.
8. After submission.
USCIS sends a receipt notice confirming the application was accepted. Applicants can track case status online at uscis.gov/case status. USCIS may request additional evidence, RFE, if documentation is incomplete.
9. Validity and renewal.
Validity periods depend on the document type, 1 to 2 years typically. If the document expires, you must reapply with a new Form I-131 and pay the applicable fee.
10. Important warnings.
Do not travel until you receive your approved travel document. Traveling outside the U.S. without authorization may result in abandonment of your pending application or loss of status. A travel document does not ensure admission into the U.S. It only allows you to seek entry.
Thanks for watching.